So I got a problem here where we're unlevel between the two. That's going to be a problem when we put the deck boards on. So this is a super simple, easy way to fix it. So I'm level here, isn't level there. So what we're going to do is about halfway of our unlevel point, and really anywhere will work. I'm going to take a screw, send it in, grab a hammer, you're going to hook it, and that's going to pull that board. So then we're going to take a screw, start one there, start another one down here, and we yank. And problem solved.